Hello everyone, welcome back to Bunch of Opportunities. Today I'm going to share one summer research internship in USA, which is called International Summer Research Internship 2026 by Colorado State University. If you are new to this channel, then please like, share and subscribe with this video. And if you already subscribed to this channel, thanks a lot. Without further ado, let's start. If you're looking for a summer research internship in the USA, this is the ideal options for you to choose. In this video, I'll explain the Colorado State University Summer Research Internship 2026, and this program is ideal for undergraduate students planning research or graduate studies abroad. This video is about the International Summer Research Internship, which is organized by CSU's International Enrollment Center, which will take place on the main CSU campus in Fort Collins, Colorado. This is designed specifically for international students who is in their undergraduate level. This focuses on real research experience under US university faculty. And the big question is what and why this is important. So this research internship is a short-term in-person summer research internship in the US. It is meant for international students who are about to enter their final year of undergraduate study. Participants are matched with CSU faculty members based on academic background and their interest. Students work in research labs, research groups, or applied research projects. The goal is to give hands-on exposure to how research works at US Research University. And when it comes to why it is important, this is important because these internships help students gain direct research experience in an international academic setting. And you don't just observe, you actively contribute to ongoing research projects. Working with CSU faculty strengthens your academic profile for masters or even your PhD applications. You will also receive an official certificate from Colorado State University after completion. The experience adds strong value to your CV, especially if you are aiming for graduate studies abroad. So let's talk about the program durations options. There are several options. The internship offers flexible durations depending on your availability. You can choose a 4-week, 6-week, or 8-week program. Most programs begin in early June and end between late June and late July. Some options allow a mid-June start for students with academic commitments. The duration you choose, it will affect both the cost and the depth of research involvement. So now let's talk about what are the field of research or the research area available for you. Students can apply across a wide range of academic disciplines. Among them, available fields includes biomedical sciences, engineering and computer science, natural sciences, natural resources and environmental studies are also included. There are options in mathematics, health and human sciences, and business related research. Final placement will depend on faculty availability and your academic background. When it comes to advantage, it is very important to know before applying what are the financial supports and benefits you are getting. Basically, CSU will provide a stipend that covers 50% or half of the campus housing cost. So if you are thinking to stay on campus, then you will get the stipend 50% off. This is not a fully funded program, but it is significantly reduces your expenses. Housing is provided in on-campus dormitories with basic amenities included. You receive meals, internet access, laundry facilities, and shared living space. The program team also supports you with visa and the other documentation process. Now let's talk about the program cost after the stipend. So after applying the housing stipend, students will need to pay part of the program cost. For a 4-week program, the estimated cost is around $1,750. The 6 weeks program cost approximately $2,300, and the 8-week program cost around $2,850. These costs do not include your airfare, visa fees, and the personal expenses. So this is very important. You have to keep in mind this for the 4 weeks, 6 and 8 weeks cost are not included your airfare, visa fees, and personal expenses. You have to bear by yourself. Now let's talk about who is eligible for the application. So applicants must be non-U.S. citizens studying outside the United States. So if you are a citizen other than United States, then you are eligible to apply. You must be entering your final year of undergraduate study at your home university, and your university must be officially accredited. You have to keep in mind. English language proficiency is required. You can prove your proficiency through TOEFL, IELTS, or Duolingo. Academic background must align with available research projects. So when you are looking for your research project, you have to check either it match with your academic background or not. This is important. What are the living and campus experiences? Participants live on the Colorado State University campus. Housing is in shared dorm rooms with another participant. Meals are provided daily as part of the housing package. The campus is located in Fort Collins, close to the Rocky Mountains. And students will experience both academic life and the American campus culture. Visa and health requirements. This is important. Once you get selected and everything is sorted out, now you are towards to apply for your visa. So you have to keep in mind and visa and health requirements. So students participate under J1 exchange visitor visa category, where CSE will provide the DS 2019 form needed for the visa application. You must apply for the J1 visa at the US Embassy or Consulate in your respective country. Health insurance coverage is mandatory for the entire program duration, and the visa and insurance costs are paid by the participant. Now, what are the important dates and deadlines you have to keep in mind? That the internship runs during June and July each year. Applications for 2026 summer intake are currently open. The application deadline is February 1, 2026. For the application, I'll attach the application link in the description. You can check and apply till February 1, 2026. Early application is recommended due to the limited research placements. Visa processing may take time, so you should also be considered when applying. And finally, this program offers a real research exposure at a top US public university, which is Colorado State University, and it is ideal for students planning future graduate studies or research careers. While not fully funded, but the housing stipend reduces your overall cost. You gain the mentorship, certificate, and international academic experience. For serious research oriented students, this is a strong summer opportunity. And so far, if you found this video useful and informative, I'd like to request everyone to share with your friends, colleagues, and anyone who might be interested for these research opportunities. Stay with bunch of opportunities for new updates. Till then, have a good day. Thank you.